The Beauty of Biology presents Blood Vessels by Satyam Rauniyar. Blood vessels. Blood vessels are a kind of tubes, or pipes, which carry blood throughout the body. The blood vessels run between the heart and the rest of the body. There are 3 types of blood vessels present in our body: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries are the blood vessels which carry blood from the heart to all the parts of the body. Arteries lies quite deep in the skin and hence they are not seen easily. Blood leaves the heart at high pressure through arteries. So, they have thick and elastic walls. The main artery, called aorta, is connected to the left ventricle of the heart and carries oxygenated blood from the left ventricle of the heart to all the parts of body. Another artery called pulmonary artery connected to the right ventricle of the heart carries deoxygenated blood from right ventricle of the heart to the lungs to again be oxygenated. Do you know? Arteries normally carry oxygenated blood from the heart. But there is an exception in this rule. One artery called pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. And it is called an artery because it carries blood away from the heart. Veins. Veins are the blood vessels which carries blood from all the parts of body back to the heart. Veins are less deep than the arteries and hence can be seen easily. The deoxygenated blood returns to the heart at low pressure through the veins. Since the blood flows at low pressure through the veins, so the veins have thin walls. Veins have valves in them which allow the blood to flow in only one directions and also prevents the backflow of blood. The main vein is connected to the right atrium of the heart and carries deoxygenated blood from all the parts of the body back to the heart. Another vein called pulmonary vein which is attached to the left atrium of the heart carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. Do you know? Veins normally carry deoxygenated blood from all the parts of the body towards the heart. But there is an exception in this rule. One vein called pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. And it is called a vein because it carries blood towards the heart. Capillary. Capillaries are extremely thin blood vessels and connect arteries to veins. The capillaries have extremely thin walls which allows substances to pass from the blood into the body cells, and also from the body cells to the blood. The oxygenated blood from the arteries enters into the capillaries and the dissolved substances present in the blood passes through the extremely thin walls of the capillaries into the cells. At the same time, the waste products formed into the cells passes into the blood through the thin walls of the capillaries. Thus, exchange of substances between the blood and the cells of the body takes place through the capillaries. The other end of the capillaries are joined to the veins. The deoxygenated blood from the capillaries enters the veins and are carried back to the heart. Thank you. A presentation by Satyam Rauniyar.